In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. The first step is to log in to your Jira account. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is the central hub for all your projects and tasks. Can you see your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen? Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Next, from that drop-down menu, look for an option that says Manage Account. Click on that. This will take you to the Account Management section where you can make various changes to your account settings. It's pretty straightforward from here, but remember to take your time as you navigate. Once you're in the Account Management area, you will need to find a section called Account Preferences. This is where you can adjust settings specific to your account. Look for this section carefully. It's usually easy to spot. When you find it, go ahead and click on Account Preferences. Now, here's where the magic happens. In this section, you'll see various settings, and one of them will be your current language setting. You want to locate that particular setting. Once you see it, click on it. This will open a drop-down menu, revealing a list of languages available for you to choose from. Take a moment to browse through the languages. Whether you want to switch to Spanish, French, or any other language, simply click on your desired option. It's an intuitive process, so choosing your new language should be a breeze. After selecting your preferred language, the changes usually take effect right away. But to be certain that everything has updated correctly, it's a good idea to refresh your browser window. Just click that refresh button or press F5 on your keyboard. This will ensure that your new language setting is applied across your entire Jira workspace. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Jira. Now, whenever you navigate through different features or access various projects, everything will be displayed in the language you selected. This can be incredibly helpful not only for personal use, but also if you're collaborating with a team that operates in a different language. Adjusting language preferences helps increase efficiency by eliminating any language barriers in your workflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues while changing your language settings, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm here to help you out. And remember, if you liked what you learned today, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.